Hello, I'm Mark Backhaus, the manager of the Siemens switchgear factory located in Frankfurt, Germany. For 40 years, we've developed and produced gas-insulated medium-voltage switchgear for primary and secondary distribution, sending them worldwide from here. We employ more than 2,000 colleagues, establishing our significance as an employer in the Rhine-Main region. Our staff will continue to grow in the future to meet our expanding needs. We are making significant investments. From 2020 to 2026, a total of 130 million has been allocated to support our expansion plans. We are currently transforming to F-gas-free medium-voltage switchgear called Blue GIS. Here, we exclusively use the climate-neutral insulating medium, clean air, which consists solely of natural components from the ambient air. Siemens is focusing on technologies that reduce CO2 emissions and create sustainable networks for future generations. I would like to welcome my colleague Andra, who will lead you through the production process.
I'm Andra Seidler, leading the transformation division at the Frankfurt switchgear facility. I coordinate all activities concerning changes, communication, and sustainability efforts. Here we stand at an 8DAB40, the newest product in the Blue GIS family, which features a rated voltage of up to 40.5 kilovolts. Today, I want to take you into the manufacturing area to observe how a system is built. We are here in the prefabrication area. Over 200 employees work in this field. In the background, you can see the metal storage. Daily, we receive up to 7 trucks of raw materials, resulting in the production of more than 7 million parts each year. Sustainability also plays a significant role in the supply chain, as we are already sourcing green steel for our plants. The goal for 2025 is to have 50% of the steel used in SWF be CO2 reduced. Additionally, we source aluminum alloys from suppliers that reduce CO2 emissions. This indicates that energy-efficient methods and renewable energy sources are utilized in the aluminum manufacturing process. The materials are then transported to the stands or laser cutting machines in the following step. We guarantee the highest efficiency and uniform quality through automated processes such as automated bending. The disposal of laser dust from our laser cutting machines is another significant issue. In the past, this was disposed of in an underground landfill. The EHS team has collaborated with the waste disposal provider to find an alternative solution. The laser dust is now recycled by a certified disposal specialist. This company specializes in the processing of dust and sludge materials in a highly efficient manner. Now, we recycle the laser dust instead of dumping it. As a result, our facility no longer has landfill waste and has already met one of Siemens' goals from our Siemens degree framework. The recycled materials from laser and stand machines are also scrapped and sent back to the recycler for further reuse. After bending, some parts go directly to powder coating, while others proceed to automated frame welding. Here, a specially adapted automation ensures efficient and precise welding processes. As you can see, prefabrication is characterized by numerous machines and robots. All consumers in the plant are equipped with energy meters. Consumption is recorded, data is analyzed and optimized in collaboration with the teams. The hall lighting has also been converted to energy-efficient LED technology with daylight control, resulting in further savings. Well then, I would suggest we go to the assembly line now. We are currently in the assembly area for the 8DAB. The first step is the pole assembly, where each pole receives a QR code for easy identification. Subsequently, the poles are combined into a field and set onto the assembly line for further processing. But now let's go to Pierre. He is our production planner for the 8DAB line, who will explain the process to us better. Hi Pierre, can you introduce yourself?
Hi, my name is Pierre. I have spent 17 years working at the Frankfurt switchgear factory and have been a planner there for 4 years.
You and the entire team are constantly working to optimize and improve processes, big and small improvements. Could you give us 1 or 2 examples?
Sure, gladly. One example would be the reduction of plastics. By shaping the plus parts to allow direct attachment of cables to the mushroom buttons, we no longer need plastic fasteners. A further enhancement would involve rotating the pole support plate by 180 degrees, which helps us save more plastic fastening materials and enables direct routing of cables into the cable channel.
Right now, we are at the testing and filling station. Would you mind explaining the process in detail?
Of course, I'll show you the way.
Thanks.
Here we are now at the filling station of our assembly line for our 8DAB device. After we previously checked our field for leaks with helium, which is also recovered, we are now filling our field with insulated clean air gas. For this, I attach the filling hose to the field. Scan the QR code. And start filling. Now the field will be filled with the appropriate insulating medium and the correct pressure applied.
Thanks, Pierre, for your excellent explanation of the testing and filling processes once more.
No problem, Andra.
That was really interesting. Thanks.
Looking forward to seeing you again.
See you. After the high voltage test, the system enters the testing area, and then the field is prepared for customer acceptance. Currently, we are in the customer center, where clients can pick up their orders prior to delivery and submit any changes. At the Frankfurt Switchgear factory, we embody manufacturing made in Germany, with a high level of manufacturing depth and years of experience in production and development of forward-looking technologies.